Sharat Trivedi, very strong charges by Akhilesh Yadav sir. Your opening comments. Is it correct of Akhilesh Yadav to say that there is lack of transparency in context of data? And then I'll go to Mr. Katiyar.
Well, I think we have got enough politics to deal with, but we should not play politics with the number of the people who have died. Just to put it on record, during the Congress government in 1954, there were 800 people had died. In 1984, I was myself present as a kid in Haridwar Kumbh Mela. The bridge was made from the Trans river area to the Har Ki Paidi broke, and 500 people died there, and 45 people died during the Samajwadi Party rule. But they never invited the army, they never invited the Air Force. This is a competitive, presentation of lies. Gandhiji had written a book, My Experiment with Truth, but the opposition is writing a book, My Experiments with Lies. So we should at least not play politics with that. The government has already put out the figures. They are the official figures, and government has given every possible aid. Fortunately, not many people died. There were only 30 people who had died. Even that was a very big tragedy. We acknowledge it. There were some mistakes which were committed, but here we must understand that we are talking about 1.5 United States coming to one place in 45 days time. And we are talking about the entire population of England and Canada having bath at one time, at one place. It's a figure which is unimaginable for most people. At least I can't imagine that kind of population, 10 crore people landing up in one place and wanting to have bath at exactly one spot. We could not have shot these people. They were bhakt. We could not have lathi charged them. The entire security forces was praying with them, please have bath wherever you are. Do not clutter, do not lie down, do not sleep where you are standing. You have bath wherever you are, and please go back. We could not have done anything, but yes, some mistakes have been committed. SOPs have been already changed. The compensation has already been announced. It will be given. The government is undertaking the entire expenses in their treatment, and we are going to make all the amends which are required. But please do not play politics with deaths.
Okay.
It's a very serious matter.
ठीक है. अखिलेश कटियार जी, आपका क्या रिस्पॉन्स है?
जी, कार्तिकेय साहब नमस्कार। जो राजनीति नहीं करनी चाहिए, जो धर्म का काम था, उसको तो राजनीतिकरण किसने किया है ये तो पूरा देश जानता है। जब आपको ये पता है कि इतनी बड़ी तादाद में लोग वहां पे स्नान करने आ रहे हैं, तो आपने इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर हॉस्पिटल कितने बनाए? लोग चेयर कुर्सी पे बैठ के आप इलाज कर रहे हैं, आपने कोई इंतजाम नहीं किया। जो मेरे नेता माननीय अखिलेश यादव जी ने कहा, जो जिम्मेदार है उनके खिलाफ कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए, और सरकार का मतलब भर का संसाधन वहां लगाए गए, वो सही तरीके से व्यवस्थाएं क्यों नहीं हुई? जो वहां व्यवस्था हुई, हजारों की संख्या में कार्तिकेय जी लोग ढूंढ रहे हैं अपनों के लिए कि मेरे अपने कहां हैं, मिल नहीं रहे, उनको कहां ढूंढा जाए। आंकड़े के मामले में आपने कांग्रेस के दौर पे और हमारे सरकार में जो आपने बातें बता दी, उससे जिम्मेदारी को थोड़ी चुक जाती है। आप असफल रहे हैं पूरी तरह से, और उसकी कीमत इस देश और राज्य की जनता ने चुकाई है। इस बात को नकारा नहीं जा सकता।
Another bite of Akhilesh Yadav and Yogi Adityanath.
ये हमारी कहाँ की सनातनी परंपरा है? मैं जानना चाहूंगा, सदन के माध्यम से हमारे माननीय सदस्य बताएं कि जहां लाशें पड़ी रही हों, न जाने कितनी चप्पलें पड़ी थीं, न जाने कितनी चप्पलें पड़ी थीं, न जाने कितने कपड़े पड़े थे, महिलाओं की साड़ियां थी, कपड़े थे, लेकिन उनको कैसे उठाया गया? उन सबको उठाया गया जेसीबी मशीन से, ट्रैक्टर की ट्रॉली से। उनसे उठा करके कहां फेंका कोई नहीं जानता, लेकिन जब उनको लगा कि वहां से बदबू आ रही है, तो यही सरकार के लोग छिपाने लगे हैं।
कांग्रेस अध्यक्ष से मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे और समाजवादी पार्टी के अध्यक्ष श्री अखिलेश यादव का वक्तव्य इस ओर सबका ध्यान आकर्षित करता है। इनकी उस गिद्ध दृष्टि की ओर भी सबका ध्यान आकर्षित करता है, जो लगातार इस महाकुंभ के खिलाफ पहले दिन से दुष्प्रचार कर रहे हैं।